Hello, dear lovely friends, once again in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing fantastic. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, actually, today I come here in our mustard field, and in this moment I would like to say something about our mustard field. So you can see in our mustard field already harvested, and our mustard field, and as we can see friends, and another mustard field, another person mustard field already they have harvested in our in your mustard field. So as we can see, my uh, mm, behind side, all around side actually cultivated at mustard field, and this field already makes maximum 100 big, this mustard field, big field. Actually this field in our village, behind side in our in this field. So friends, so as we can see, uh, my behind side, one man actually spray and poisonous medicine actually in your field. So there are there are many person at this moment in their work purposes. So we can see in our behind side one hill and one village. So actually in this moment, actually evening time, today weather is very shiny. So friends, nowadays weather is very foggy, because but today is weather very shiny. So right now it's time for actually almost sun almost set. So as we can see, the sun almost set. So friends,